Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukrainian drone maker Skyeton integrates satellite communications into Raybird UAS unmanned aerial vehicle or unmanned aircraft system to enable extended ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Ukrainian aviation manufacturer Skyeton has integrated satellite communications into its Raybird unmanned aviation system, expanding the platform's operational reach and enabling uninterrupted real-time data transmission during long-duration missions. The SATCOM capability removes traditional data link range limitations and allows operators to maintain a stable connection throughout the full mission profile, including deep reconnaissance tasks beyond ground-based communications coverage. Raybird, a small tactical unmanned aviation system, is compatible with several satellite communication solutions, allowing customers to select systems that match their operational requirements and existing command and control infrastructure. In 2025, Skyeton delivered its first SATCOM-equipped Raybird to a unit of the Ukrainian Defense Forces and has since continued deployments to the combat zone to validate performance in real operational conditions. Roman Nyajenko, Chief Executive Officer of Skyeton, stated, "We deliberately tested satellite communications not in laboratory conditions, but in the most hostile operational environment possible. Over the past year, we gathered detailed feedback directly from military operators. This experience allowed us to refine the integration and ensure stable performance under electronic warfare pressure and during extended missions. Before scaling deliveries, we had to ensure that the SATCOM-equipped Raybird is fully ready to conduct deep ISR missions in enemy territory exactly when it matters most. Designed for extended intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition and reconnaissance missions, Raybird is powered by an internal combustion engine and offers more than 28 hours of continuous flight in its mass-produced configuration. The addition of satellite communications enhances its effectiveness in large-scale and distributed operations where reliable long-range connectivity is essential. Combat-proven in Ukraine, Raybird has accumulated more than 350,000 flight hours and is described as resilient to electronic warfare, operationally reliable and cost-efficient. The system has a maximum flight range of more than 2,500 kilometers, an operating ceiling of 5,500 meters, payload capacity of 5 to 10 kilograms and can operate in temperatures ranging from -35 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.